Pathways to lasting harmony, building a peaceful society together. Education and awareness, promoting education that fosters tolerance. Promotion of justice and equality, creating an environment where justice prevails. Effective governance, dialogue and communication. Encouraging open dialogue and constructive communication is vital. Conflict resolution and mediation, developing mechanisms for resolving disputes peacefully, such as mediation and arbitration. Economic stability and opportunities, ensuring economic stability and providing equal opportunities for employment. Respect for human dignity, holding and respecting the dignity of every individual, irrespective of their background, is fundamental. This involves promoting compassion, tolerance, and respect for human rights.